Hi there, and welcome to Wonder Women and Supermen, the Reading Superheroes. I'm so excited for you as you begin your journey. The first thing you want to consider is who you want to work with. So here's some buddies of mine that I truly enjoy working with. This is us in Tulsa, Oklahoma a while ago. And I would never have met these people, these lovely people, if someone had not invited them to join. So people aren't going to come up to you in this business and be like, oh my gosh, I have to do it, I have to do it. There might be some, but for the most part, everyone here has been asked. And so your role in asking how someone feels about doing something like this, if they ever thought about something like this, is very important. I want to show you some resources that you can use because you're not alone in this, okay? The first resource I want you to use is me or your team leader. And this is how you do it. When you're messaging your people to say, hi, have you ever thought about doing something like this before? Or you're so awesome to work with or whatever, what you're going to do is you're going to start a message with me and then yourself. Whoops, I'm not sure how to do that, but you start a message with me and then yourself, you, and then the prospective person, okay? And what you say to that person is, hey, I don't know all the answers, but my friend does. You mind if I just add her into our chat real quick? Or you can create a different one if you want, okay? And then we get chatting that way. That is the single best way to do it. If someone's excited or has questions, answer them right away. The next best is for you to invite them to a Peek Inside event. So as you can see, we do these every month, once a month, and so it's not really good to wait for them to come around, but if it's good timing, go for it. It's usually the second Thursday in each month, and you will have access to this information when we do it. So you'll be notified of that. You can invite them. And then last opportunity is our BookBiz info group. And this is where we post just, hey, there's more info on the kit, or, what are 10 commonly asked questions about joining. And so you get to kind of have them in a group where they can ask questions. The last thing I'm going to show you is this. I have this. You can put this on the back of your business cards as well. But basically, readingsuperhero.com is a forwarding address which goes to this video. And I'm not sure if you can hear it, but basically it answers a lot of questions about the business in a very unthreatening way. So you'll want to put readingsuperhero.com. Let me type it up here. And then when you do that, you want to make sure that you are that you're following up with the person. You never want to send them someplace without asking, You never want to send them someplace without asking what they thought. And so we always ask open-ended questions, okay? So yeah, those are your resources. I'm so excited for you. Make sure you check in if you have questions.